Welcome to this video on the present perfect with since and for. In this video, you will learn how to form the present perfect and how to use the present perfect in sentences with since and for to express situations that began in the past and continue to the present. First, we will look at how to form the present perfect. Then, we will look at the present perfect with since. Then, we will look at the present perfect with for. The present perfect is formed with have or has plus a past participle. For regular verbs, the past participle is formed by adding ed, just like for the simple past. Here are some examples. Play, played, played. Start, started, started. Talk, talked, talked. For irregular verbs, the past participle is irregular and must be memorized. Here are some examples. Be, was, were, been. Sing, sang, sung. Write, wrote, written. Here is how to form the present perfect in the affirmative. We'll use the verb be for our examples. Standard form: I have been, you have been, she has been, we have been, they have been. Contracted form: I've been, you've been, she's been, we've been, they've been. Since. Since is followed by the mention of a specific point in time in the past. Here are some examples. I have been here since 4:30 p.m. You have been married since 2019. She has been ill since Tuesday. We have been in Cuba since December. They have been back since yesterday. Since expresses the idea that something began at a specific time in the past and continues in the present. Since may also introduce a time clause. Here are some examples. Mike has lived here since he was 5 years old. I have made many new friends since I started college. Notice that the present perfect is used in the main clause while the simple past is used in the time clause. For. For is followed by a duration of time. Here are some examples. For 10 minutes, for 2 hours, for 6 days, for 3 weeks, for a long time, for many years. Let's look at the present perfect with for. I have lived here for 2 years. I've lived here for 2 years. We have been here for almost an hour. We've been here for almost an hour. They have been in Canada for a long time. They've been in Canada for a long time. That's all for today. In this video, you learned how to form the present perfect and how to use the present perfect in sentences with since and for to express situations that began in the past and continue in the present. We saw that the present perfect is formed with have or has plus the past participle of a verb. We saw that since is followed by a specific point in time in the past. We saw that for is followed by a duration of time. We looked at sentences in the present perfect with since and for to express situations that began in the past and continue in the present. Thanks for watching.